Alright, y'all, so after the Powerforce Turbo video, figured I'll give you another little treat, and here's another one. The Powerforce Bagless. Now this is the 6583-X that is currently styled like a Canadian Bissell because they don't have this. They use the style tip, filters, and belts little badge down there. Now, I've had this thing for pretty much almost 4 years now, actually. Well, pretty much 4 years now, because a few days ago it would have been 4 years since I picked this Bissell up from, I picked it up in Fayetteville, and the lady only wanted 20 bucks for it, so I said, why not? So I picked it up, and yeah, I've had this thing for a while now. So let's go ahead and give it a run. Like I said, I hope you guys are actually pretty excited to see the return of vacuum videos. Because I do have a couple special ones that I'll be buying here pretty soon. Let's go ahead and give this one a run. And this one sounds really good. It's got a mint condition motor in it. Here we go. Run over my dog's rawhide. Not like these. She sure didn't like my daggone 85. You can see the previous vacuum lines for the 85 too. Being taken over by the 83 now. And that's going to do it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay tuned.